So I ordered something that's really big, and I'm not going to be able to get it from our car to our apartment by myself. So I made this lovely little cart so that I can just basically get it out of the car, onto the car, and roll it into the apartment. Welcome back to the Sant House vehicle. So, it finally came. I was patient for a long time, obviously long enough, because the thing I've been waiting for has finally come. So let's go get it. You know, I'm really excited to go pick this thing up. Got the car already, got my little truck. But one thing I'm not sure about is that it's actually gonna fit in the car, which is gonna be interesting. Because if it doesn't fit in the car, I'm not 100% sure how I'm gonna get it home. I might have to like push it, which would be a few miles. We'll see. I'm still hopeful. We'll find out soon. We're almost there. I don't think I've even told you guys what I'm getting yet. You'll find out. Made it to the store. I just have to put on my bandana. Then I'm gonna go in there and find out. Does the thing that I ordered actually fit in the car? I'm excited for you guys to see that too. It's gonna be interesting. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm gonna say there's like very small percent chance I can get this thing, which is what I bought, into the vehicle. Yeah. Don't worry, those guys helped me, which is awesome. So, I think that's just how far in it's gonna go. Now, the real question is, do I actually feel good about it driving like that? And honestly, I'm not sure, so I'm gonna try and squeeze it in. Look at that. It's in, it's like a glove. Like, literally. As you can all see, I bought a toolbox. Just wanna take an opportunity here to thank my lovely wife who actually let me buy this, because this is crazy. And we're gonna put this in our apartment. Again, she's the best. And also, shout out to the two wonderful guys who volunteered to help me with this, because could not have done that without you. This thing is heavy, it weighs more than me. Just a little update from here in the Sant House truck. The car made some strange, and when I say the car, I mean the back seat just made some strange cracking noises. I don't think it's meant to have this weight distributed quite like this in it. So, yeah, see how this goes. Okay, so I have made it home. We are in the garage, which is why it's probably gonna get dark. And now I get the really fun, exciting opportunity to see how we're gonna get this out of the car. So I'm gonna do my best to film that because A, it should be interesting and entertaining, and let's be honest, the probability of me hurting myself is much greater than normal because it weighs a lot. But I also have to run upstairs and grab the dolly that I made that I think you've seen by now. Okay, so here we are. I'm in the house. I got the cart, and look, there's Kaden. Can you say hi, everybody?
The wheels.
Yeah, you got the wheels. Now I'm gonna head out there and see if I can get this thing. Oh yeah, that went great. That went honestly way better than I thought it would. So, for those of you who wondered, you can in fact transport that in that vehicle. Oh, look at that, we made it, we're in. We now have the toolbox in the house. Now all we have to do is get it where it goes and then get it unpacked. Are you excited, bud? Are you excited about the toolbox?
1, 2,
Did Daddy bring home a big box?
1, 4, 300 numbers.
Are there numbers? There are numbers. Okay, gotta wash my hands. Is there a horn going off, bud?
City people problems.
It's true. City people. Yeah, do you hear the honk honk? It's loud out there, isn't it? Hopefully it stops, right? Yep, we hope it stops soon. Well, you saw me bring it in, and now it's time. It's time to actually assemble it. Which shouldn't be that hard, basically. It just means putting the wheels on and the handle on, but you know we're gonna make a big deal out of it because it's exciting. Right? Yep, okay.
toolbox.
I also want to add that so far this has been, this cart has been an incredible success. I could not have carried this up here. Also, what are the odds that on my first try, I open it with the front facing the camera? It's pretty cool. If anybody wasn't completely sure, yes, it is heavy. Now that I've used their tool to do one, I'm gonna grab my own tool because this is very small. I mean, relative size compared to my hand, you can tell it's not big. I'm always surprised by how long it takes to screw in bolts, but we're done. All right, so we're almost there. I'm sweaty, first of all, but we have just 2 or 3 more things to put on the box, like the handle and the little bumper guards, and then it's ready. Hey, that was easy enough. Well, it's done. Now the last thing is just to put it where it goes. Look at that. I'm excited. Are you guys excited? Got this toolbox here and all this pegboard. Now all we have left is to put things on it. Kaden likes it. Right, Kaden? Do you like it? Do you see the letters? Yeah. You wanna watch Daddy decorate? And by decorate, I mean organize. Because, you know. Okay. Look at that, it's done-ish. I mean, nothing is ever really fully done because as I use it, I will definitely be moving things around and optimizing because things can always get better over time. What do you think, bud?
The toolbox. Don't see Kaden?
Do you want to see Kaden? Oh, well, I'm sorry, the camera's the wrong way, so you won't be able to see Kaden, but you can see the toolbox in the wall. See the toolbox? Yeah, it's the toolbox. It's cool, right? Feel free to comment down below. Do you like this setup? Is there something you think I'm missing or I should change? What do you think of the toolbox, bud? Well, really, what do you think of the pegboard? Do you like it?
And pebbles.
Yeah. We're gonna keep that in there. We don't want that to come out. Okay. You ready? We're gonna go down.
And the toolbox.
The toolbox, yeah. Were you standing on top of the toolbox? Whoa.